Hello my friends, and welcome back to Homesteading Northern Michigan. Today we have got a little unboxing and testing of some adapters for my Mofi 4500 4G internet. I didn't have the right connectors for my antennas, and I didn't know what the connectors were that I needed. So instead of researching it, I just rigged something up and assumed that it was good enough. Well, I got a comment last week saying that I should get these adapters, and they sent me the link to the adapters, and I immediately ordered them. So let's get these things open. It's not some mega special unboxing or anything. This is just, let's get her working, you know. See, we'll do a test before and after of how my signal strength is, what kind of megabytes per second we're pulling down here. Alright, get this packaging out of the way. So here we go. These look like what I need. Beautiful. Alright, let's do some testing and see what we got before I install these. Alright, we are now live. We're going to go here to open signal. Right there. And we're going to run a speed test. This is before installing the adapters. Okay, a little bit sluggish today. Upload's incredibly slow. Okay, we'll do this again. So we're at 849 and 156 upload with 41 latency. So let's go ahead and reset this. Let's do it one more time. Just make sure we have an accurate signal to base our test off of. And we're about the same. Alright, I'm going to install these and let's hope we get some better results. Okay, so let's see if we can see this here. Don't mind the mess, guys. I got like pieces of burl and handsaw files. And what is this? I don't even use this, a raker gauge. I don't even use that thing. Anyways, this is what I came up with before. I'm just going to set these down where they're not going to roll off the sill here. So this is what I came up with before. I'm going to unplug this to reset it while we're doing this. So we have our coaxial cable. I used barrel fittings, and then I found this other thread-on piece that kind of fit around this, but it didn't really. And then I took and thinned out a piece of coaxial to fit into here, and that just sits in there. So you can see several areas where I could be having a problem with connection. So let's go ahead and pop these guys on here. Like that one I just had sitting in there, and that's the primary. And let's see how these fit in here. Alright. Super easy. Pop this one in. Threading in nice and neat, nice and stiff. Now let's put on our coaxials. Okay, and we'll plug her back in. So our signal antennas are good. Those were both tight. To load up, I'll get back with you after this loads up. It takes about 120 seconds for this guy to boot up. And yeah, we'll do another signal test. Okay, my friends, I got this all tightened up and she's booted up and ready to go. Let's do a speed test and hope for better results. Latency is like really. I got 21 download. Upload isn't really matching. I'm going to try this one more time. Let's try again, see what we got. Oh, there's the latency I want. Okay. There we go. Well, there we go, my friends. I would like to thank you for watching Homesteading Northern Michigan, and a super special thank you to my awesome viewer that gave me the link to get the proper fittings. You're amazing. Have a blessed day. Peace. Oh, before I end this video, I would also like to thank my Michiganders. Your support is amazing. Thank you. Map is absolutely huge. That's where I'm going, is that city right there. Over that hill. I hear someone. I can't wait any longer. I gotta get out of here. I'm gonna get killed. There he is. Oh no. Ah! Yeah, at least he died. I'm mad I lost. 6th place? Alright.